Joe Ben Shovel. I'm a senior transmission vegetation management specialist at ATC. American Transmission Company is the company that transports electricity from a generation facility to a substation. Today we're aerial sawing a line to keep the woody vegetation from coming in conflict with the facilities. It's important to keep trees away from the transmission line, is that when they come into conflict, a number of things can happen. You can have an interruption to service where the line is physically removed from service. Otherwise, trees can burn on it or they can arc. This can create a dangerous condition, especially in drought conditions where fires can begin. We use aerial saw for a number of reasons. One is it's limited impact to the environment. It also helps in areas with steep terrain where we don't have to bring in other equipment or we don't have to worry about trying to figure out a way around that terrain, where the aerial saw works in the sky and it's pretty much terrain independent. Also, it's in a very efficient way to prune the edge of the right-of-way. So we use it in forested areas, rural forested areas or remote areas where we're not impacting people's homes, and we're able to get that work done efficiently and safely with minimal impact to the environment. The aerial saw crew consists of one pilot and one groundsperson, and they also have a support truck that follows the helicopter and the aerial saw around. It will help fuel up. It also has spare parts that are needed for maintenance. The aerial saw is actually very safe. Since 2012, we've been using them on ATC property. They've never had an OSHA recordable injury while in their time on ATC's footprint. We have a planner, or multiple planners go out in advance of the aerial saw, and they will mark out hazards and identify them, and that planner will be in contact with the pilot via two-way radio, calling those out in advance, so that in addition to the tape that we've already put out there, the fluorescent tape or the bright colored tape, they're able to remind the pilot that there's a hazard or there's a conflict in the right-of-way. We do notify landowners of the work that's going to take place. They will get a postcard or a mailer that talks about the aerial saw use upcoming. Very frequently, we will also have a face-to-face conversation with the landowner. I guess if there's one thing I wanted everybody to know about the aerial saw use at ATC is that it's not a tool we use lightly. We use it to minimize the impact to the environment, to the landowner, and to the public at large.